In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Epson Workforce Pro 4833 printer. Now go to the touch panel and look for the maintenance. Scroll down and look for the ink cartridge replacement. Click on the start button. Now open the ink cartridge chamber door by lifting it from one side and let it stand itself. So there are 4 ink cartridges. You simply have to press a lock and then take the ink cartridge out. Do it for all 4 ink cartridges. To install the new ink cartridge, simply take the ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging, remove the seal. Now take the new ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging, straight in, press it down, it will lock itself. Easy to install, so you just have to place and press it down. Just do it for all 4 ink cartridges. Now press the lock down, automatically printer will close itself. Wait for the confirmation on the screen and then we are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.